In our last video, we discussed the essentials of human nature, but in this video, we'll do the philosophical exploration of human nature. Plato, an ancient Greek philosopher, what does he believe? He believed that human nature was divided into three parts: reason, spirit, and desire. He emphasized the importance of cultivating reason to lead a virtuous life. Aristotle, a student of Plato, he focused on the concept of eudaimonia, often translated as happiness or flourishing. He believed that human nature is fulfilled when individuals strive for excellence in their unique capacity. Immanuel Kant, a German philosopher, he believed in the inherent rationality and moral capacity of humans. He argued that humans possess an innate sense of moral duty and their actions should be guided by reason and a sense of universal principles. Thomas Hobbes, an English philosopher, he believed that human nature was fundamentally selfish and driven by self-interest. He famously described the state of nature as a war of all against all, where life would be chaotic without a strong central authority. Jacques Rousseau, a French philosopher, what does he believe? He believed that humans were inherently good in their natural state, but society corrupted them. He proposed that returning to a more primitive state would allow humans to regain their genuine nature and live in harmony. John Locke, what's his view of human nature? He had a more optimistic view of human nature. He believed that humans were born as blank slates and their experiences shaped their character. Locke emphasized the importance of individual rights and the social contract. Frederick Nietzsche, a German philosopher, what does he challenge? He challenged traditional views of human nature. He believed that humans were driven by a will to power, striving for self-expression and dominance. He critiqued conventional morality and emphasized individuality. Jean-Paul Sartre, a key figure in existentialism, he asserted that human nature is defined by freedom and responsibility. He argued that existence precedes essence, meaning that humans create their own essence through their choices. Albert Camus, another French philosopher, what does he explore? He explored the concept of the absurd in human existence. He believed that humans seek meaning in a universe that appears indifferent, leading to a tension between the desire for meaning and the apparent lack of it.